Okay, so welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the JBL Flip 6. As you can see, we have here, this came out a couple months ago as far as I'm aware, maybe 6 months ago-ish. I've only just managed to get my hands on it here in the UK. It's been out of stock almost everywhere I've looked for a while, to be fair, and then I gave up for a bit. So I'll just do a quick unboxing for you and then I'll do another review later on. So we obviously got the standard Flip box packaging, the square, you know, quite clean, very small, almost the size of the speaker, which is always very nice. You've got a little pull tab here, which you could just pull out the other way and pulls out quite nicely, like into that type of shape. I don't suppose that was supposed to happen, but I'll put that to the side for just a second. We've got in the front of that, we have a little thing that's got Flip 6 engraved on it, which I assume has the manuals and the charger cable stuff. So you've got a USB-A to Type-C cable there for charging. And then further away in the box, we've got how do we get that out then? Unless we come from the other side. Oh yeah. So we've got manuals there, product registration, more manuals, warranty I assume, stuff like that. Quick start guide, not many people are going to be looking at that, to be honest. Obviously we've got a main event here, looking very clean out of the box. So we've got, obviously they used to have the little light through the logo in the corner of this stuck in the middle, but now it's more like obviously just the name, and it's got a little orange tint underneath it. It's like 3D, which is very nice. Up at the top we've got the party connect button, the volume down, volume up, and skip and pause, stuff like that. We've got obviously the passive radiators on the sides, very nice, very nice. Got an exclamation mark in both sides. Just on the back here we've got nice little carry strap, Flip 6 quite nicely engraved in there, power, Bluetooth, and then we've still got the line for the battery. Last time I had one of these I actually preferred the dot system that they had before. Obviously just because it was easier to see, these lines are always quite difficult. But then you've got your waterproof Type-C exposed connector, which they had on the 5 as well if I'm not mistaken. So nothing too new about the design, obviously, apart from the JBL on the front. It's fairly hefty for something of this size. I'm not sure if you've just seen my video on the whatever that thing was called, the mix thing, the 25-pound thing, but this weighs much more than that and it's half the size, so you can tell there's some quality going on here. See if we get a bit of a start up, show you what the lights look like. There you go, so you've got the white for that, and your battery, nice full battery, that's nice. And I haven't connected to it yet, so it's obviously just going to pair like that for a while. But yeah, looking very nice. So I'll do a sound review and a test and stuff like that in the next video.